I thank the Lord for his strength and his great power in leading and guiding us through storms in life, especially in battles and great difficulties. One thing that the Lord always told us, and he said it in Matthew 11, starting at verse 28, he says to come to me, all you who labor and are heavy laden. That means that if we've got a lot of things that are weighing us down, he wants us to come to him. And he says, and I will give you rest. That means we have to cease from our labors. That means cease from worrying about it and let God handle it. He says, take my yoke upon you and learn from me, meaning that let him lead and let us follow, and we learn more about him. For I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. God wants us to let him lead, and